Post his brawl with Shirish Kundar at Sanjay Dutt's Agnipath Bash, Shah Rukh Khan has now got into yet another scuffle. Shah Rukh had a clash with Maharashtra Cricket Association officials last night at Wankhede Stadium post the match between his IPL team Kolkata Knight Riders and Mumbai Indians. While the MCA officials have claimed that Khan was drunk when he misbehaved with them at the stadium, the superstar has stated that he wasn't drunk and was provoked by the officials as they manhandled his kids. The Badshah of Bollywood today called for a press conference to reveal his side of the story, and this is what he said.
हाँ, मैंने सुना टीवी पे बहुत कुछ कह रहे हैं वो, और जो सिंपल बात ये है, मैच ख़त्म हुआ था, मेरे 30 बच्चे और उनके दोस्त लड़के लड़कियां मैच देखने गए थे, तो मैं स्टेडियम में नहीं था। मैं उन बच्चों को फ़ोन किया कि मैं उनको पिक करने के लिए आ रहा हूँ। मैं पिक करने जब तक गया, स्टेडियम ऑब्वियसली खाली हो चुका था, और फिर मैंने ऊपर से देखा कि वहाँ पे कुछ ऑफिशियल्स थे, अब मुझे पता नहीं वो कौन से डिपार्टमेंट के हैं स्टेडियम में, वो बच्चों को मैन हैंडल कर रहे थे। गुस्से में कहीं ना कहीं कुछ तो कहा होगा, लेकिन वो लोग भी बहुत बदतमीजी से बातें कर रहे थे, और मैं अकेला था, तो वो कुछ 20-25 उनके ऑफिशियल्स थे। एक थे छोटे से साहब जो ऐनक पहने हुए थे, तो वो बहुत बदतमीजी से गालियाँ दे रहे थे, और जब मैं उनको एक्चुअली पकड़ने के लिए गया तो वो इन बाकी सबके पीछे छुप गए। आई मीन, टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू शो ऑफ, I just going to pick up my children. I think we know what good behavior in public is, but I don't think that gentleman should have spoken to me like that at all. And that's completely unpardonable as far as I'm concerned. I think they should apologize to me for behaving the way they behave. I don't think they're extremely high-handed. And personally, if this is the kind of behavior that is meted out to people at their stadium, I personally would not like to go myself. So I don't know about this ban and stuff. Let them decide. You know, there were more people than you are right now who are rushing at me and aggressively, and I'm extremely disturbed that they should manhandle children in the name of security. I mean, what? They're little kids. We attend matches. They were leaving the stadium, and there is no right to touch little girls who are not even 13 years old physically. And I think that is completely unpardonable. I should write a written complaint on the behavior they meted out and the language they spoke. I have no clarification to give. My only clarification is that I think they should look into their association and know how to behave. And if they think that my behavior is wrong, if somebody touches children who are with me, I completely disagree with it. I think my behavior is completely correct.
Meanwhile, the MC officials have also filed a police complaint against the Ravan star at Marine Drive Police Station in Mumbai, and cops have already begun their probe into the episode. Well, after listening to Khan's side of the story, all we can say is kudos to the super protective dad. For more on movies, fashion and entertainment, stay tuned to MovieTalkies.com.